Hello, everyone. So today I would like to take you through our new email builder that will allow you to customize your emails any way you like. Let me guide you through it step by step. The first thing I would like you to do, please, is to go into your accounts backend and click on campaigns. From here, we're going to go ahead and choose to create a new campaign. We're going to choose email, of course, and hit next. Over here, you have two options. You have the regular campaigns and you have the automated campaigns. We're going to come back. We're going to circle back to the automated campaigns later on. But for now, we're going to choose the regular campaign. And don't forget to give your campaign a title. Now, this is not the subject line of your email. This is just a title that will allow you to archive your email so that if you want to take a look, what have you done in the past, you'll be able to see what did you do. So for now, we're going to call it test. Regular campaign, and we're going to hit next. Now, the system will ask you, would you like to use the new email builder? We're going to say yes. Let's try it out now. On this page, everything is pretty much self-explanatory. Over here, you'll be able to choose your recipients. So you can choose which one would you like. You can even create a filter to choose specific recipients. And over here, you're going to click on Add Email to start creating your email. We're going to put a subject line. Now, in the subject line, you'll be able to make it custom. So we're going to say, for example, hi. And then if we click on this small button over here, we'll be able to even add the name of your client. So we're going to say, hi, Michael. It's going to pull the names directly from your contacts list. You don't want to miss this. For example, keep it exciting. You can even add an emoji. So we're going to add maybe a smiley face. There you go. And now we're going to go ahead and add content. This is where the magic happens. In the previous email builder, of course, it did the job, but it had some limitations in terms of customization. So you couldn't choose all the fonts you want. You couldn't dissect the email the way you like, maybe. Now you have all the options you need. So over here, we're looking at the blank page. I want you to look at it as a body, as a human body. And what we want to do is we want to cover it. We want to add layers to it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start by taking a look at the right-hand side. This is your wardrobe over here. You'll be able to pick and choose what would you like to put on your body. The first one, the content, allows you to be very detailed and picking and choosing exactly what you want to put on your body over here. So for example, if you want to drag a heading, you'll be able to click on it. And as you can see, it jiggles when you're hovering over it because it's ready to jump in. We're going to click on it, drag it and drop it. And over here, you'll be able to say, I don't know, this is our weekly newsletter. But what if you want it to be centered? What if you want to, add some customization to it? All you need to do is to look on the left-hand side, on the right-hand side, excuse me, and you'll be able, for example, to align it in the middle. You'll be able to choose a color even. You'll be able to choose a font size. You'll be even able to change the font the way you like it as well. And once you click outside, you'll be able to go back to the next. If you want to add a button over here, you simply click on it and you add it. Now, this allows you to do exactly what you want. Now, what if you might tell me, well, and by the way, you can add a video as it is. You can add an image. So let's say you want to add a video. So we're going to drag it and drop it. And it immediately asks you to put the URL of the video. So you'll be able to get that URL. If it's a YouTube video, you just get the URL from YouTube. You put it here, and it's going to automatically play it. Now, you might tell me, okay, Bill, this looks cool. But what if I want the body of this email to be dissected differently? Am I able to do that? You most certainly can. What you want to do is you want to choose, let me just delete all of this. What you want to do is you're going to start with the columns. So we're going to go ahead, drag and drop the column over here. This column, the column idea allows you to segment and to create compartments within the body of the email. So if you click on it, you'll be able to tell the system how exactly would you like the email to be segmented. So for example, do you want 2 sections? So do you want 2 symmetrical pieces where you'll be able to edit each of them? So here, it's like you have 2 small emails in each. So over here on the right-hand side, you can do exactly the same. So do you want to add a text to it? Then you have a text on the left-hand side. Do you want to add an image to the right-hand side? Now you can. And now you see that you've segmented your email the way you like. You can even add more columns. You can have it in a different way. So you can have a bigger part over here and a smaller part over there. So you can do anything you like. But we also know that this might be time consuming. And you might think, well, is there a way to just take advantage of an already created block? The answer is yes, you most certainly can. So we've also created the blocks option over here, where if you scroll down, you'll be able to see already created or pre-created blocks that all you need to do is to choose the one you like. You're gonna drag it and drop it. And here you already have, and by the way, you can move it up and down. That we slide it up. Here, it's already pre-created, so you can click over here. You can upload an image if you like. You can edit the title. If you click on the button, it detects that it's a button and it allows you to edit the URL. And as always, you can edit the styling of the body. So if you click on the right-hand side where it says body, here you'll be able to spice up this human body that you're trying to build. You can give it a tan by changing its color. You can add a wig. You can add a tattoo. What do we mean by that? So we're going to click on body. Do you want to change the background color? Maybe we do. Do you want to change the text color? Maybe you want to. That's completely up to you. You can do anything you like. And the images, if you're looking for an image that you don't necessarily have, you'll be able to search by typing. For example, let's say workout. And you're able to choose which one do you like and add it to your email. Or you can even upload your own, and you're going to have over here a gallery of pre-existing or pre-used pictures that you can use in future emails. Once you're happy with it, you're going to hit on save. And now all you need to do is to choose a date and a time, launch your campaign. Now, remember at the beginning of this short video, I told you that I'll explain a little bit more about the triggered or the automated email campaigns. Let's talk about that very quickly. So we're going to go back to campaigns. We're going to click on create campaigns. Is it a new campaign? Yes. Is it an email? Yes. We're going to choose that. And now we're going to go with the automated campaign. So let's call it test automation. We're going to hit next. Do you want to try the new one? Yes, we're going to try the new email builder. So it's exactly the same logic as the previous section that we spoke about, which is the manual creation of the email. But here, you'll be able to start by selecting a trigger, which is a condition. When would you like this email to go out? So we can click on it. And when would you like this email to go out? Would you like it to go out when somebody leaves a review? We've already created a few triggers for you. So the most popular ones are when somebody leaves a review, when somebody hasn't visited your business for a while and they fell into the past customers section, we can trigger an email to go out, when somebody shares an offer, or after someone's first visit. Or you can even create your own. So you can click on it and you'll be able to add the conditions. So for example, you can choose, let's say somebody reaches a milestone in loyalty points. You can maybe add a birth date. So I think we are over here. So when someone's birthday is, let's say next week, this email will go out. Once you create your trigger, you add your email, and here you're exactly the same what we've done before. So you'll be able to add your own subject line, add the content, and you can refer back to what we've previously discussed. So the only difference in this stage is you choosing the trigger at the top, which is super simple. I hope that you found this video useful. We want you to take advantage of this new update with a new email builder. Be creative, play around with it, send tests if you want. You can send it to yourself as well to see how it looks like. And as always, if you need any help with that, reach out to our customer success team, and we're always here to help you. Thank you and good luck.